2024 Toyota Tundra, 1794 edition. Only 7,000 miles. Boom. Check this out. Nice brown interior. Look at that. This is the 360 panoramic moonroof that will open. Very large monitor, heated and ventilated seats. 7,722 miles. I mean, this thing has everything. Like, it's got the panoramic view. I mean, it's really got everything. Real nice brown interior in the back with also heated and ventilated seats in the back. You can't beat that. Even got a cover. Love these wheels. This is the one, man. I hope you like it. Thanks so much.